Assalamu alaikum. We will continue the last part of our chapter Powers and Radicals, Part 3. Objectives: define the notion of the fractional exponent, solve equations of the form x to the power n is equal to a, use the calculator to calculate the nth root of a real number. Please prepare the following materials: textbook, pens, draft papers, copybook, and calculator. It is required to have a previous knowledge about the following topics: to use the properties of powers and radicals, to solve equations of the form x to the power 2 is equal to a, to use the remarkable identities. Fractional exponents. Definition: a is a non-zero positive real number, n is a natural number greater than or equal to 2, and m is an integer. The nth root of a to the power m is defined by nth root of a to the power m and will be denoted by a to the power m over n. We admit that nth root of a to the power m it is equal to a to the power m over n. Remark: this definition is used to change from radical form to a power having fractional exponent and vice versa, and the computation rules concerning powers remain valid for fractional exponents. Example: write in fractional form or radical form. Solution: cubic root of 5 to the power 2. It is written in radical form. It is equal 5 to the power 2 over 3. Fourth root of 3 to the power 6. It is equal 3 to the power 6 over 4. We can divide by 2, so it is equal 3 to the power 3 over 2. 2 to the power 5 over 7, it is written as a power having fractional exponent. It is equal to 7th root of 2 to the power 5. And 2 to the power 1 over 3, it is equal to cubic root of 2 to the power 1, which is cubic root of 2. Application: write in fractional form or radical form. Pause the video and solve the following application. Solution: another application, simplify. Stop the video and solve it. Solution: equations of the form x to the power n is equal to a. Property: solving equations of the form x to the power n is equal to a. If n is even and a positive, then x to the power n is equal to a has two solutions: x equals nth root of a or x equals minus nth root of a. If a is negative, then x to the power n is equal to a has no solution. Example: n is even. Solve x to the power 4 is equal to 16. Solution: x equals 4th root of 16 or x equals minus 4th root of 16. So x is equal 4th root of 2 to the power 4, which is equal to 2, or x equals minus 4th root of 2 to the power 4, which is equal to minus 2. Another example: solve x to the power 2 is equal to minus 8. Minus 8 is negative. Solution: this equation has no solution. If n is odd and a positive, then x to the power n is equal to a has one solution: x equals nth root of a. Same for a negative. Example: n is odd. Solve x to the power 3 is equal to 8. Solution: x equals cubic root of 8, which is equal to cubic root of 2 to the power 3, which is equal to 2. Another example: solve x to the power 3 is equal to minus 8. Solution: x is equal to cubic root of minus 8, which is equal to cubic root of minus 2 to the power 3, which is equal to minus 2. Application. Pause the video and solve the following equations. Solution. Calculator. Do you know that we can find the nth root using the calculator? Example. Let us use the calculator to verify the following answers. Now on the scientific calculator, if we want to use anything in the yellow color, we have to press the shift button first. If we want to find the square root, we use this button. Above it is the cubic root in yellow, and here is for the nth root or for any index greater than 3. Number 1, cubic root of 64, we press shift, cubic root of 64, and then we press equal, it is equal to 4. Number 2, cubic root of minus 125, we press shift, cubic root of minus 125, then we press equal, it is equal to minus 5. Number 3, fourth root of 2401, we press shift, nth root, we write 4 for the index, and for the radicand, we write the number 2401. We press equal, then it is equal to 7. Number 4, fourth root of minus 26, we write shift, nth root, 4 for the index, and minus 26 for the radicand. Then we press equals. We get math error, it does not exist since the index 4 is even and minus 26 is negative. Number 5, fifth root of 32, we press shift, nth root, 5 for the index, and 32 for the radicand, and then equals, we get 2. Assignment. Summary. Thank you for watching.